easy understanding of SAP for everyone. SAP is giving beautiful career. That is no doubt about it. This is your journey. This is your end journey for your career. Whatever the education, whatever the courses, whatever the work you have done previously, that is different. This course, whatever you are learning, this 3 months of course, whatever you are learning, that is your career. I am seeing with many people. So I have seen successes from 4 lakhs to 12 lakhs, 0 to 18 lakhs. Okay. 3 lakhs, they are working from 3 years. TCS only. TCS Cognizant lo 3 years ga work చేస్తున్నాడు, 3 lakhs salary. So going and coming, and 3 lakhs means how much he is going to get per month? 20,000. The tag is very good. Cognizant, the tag is very good. So to say to the family members, I am working in Cognizant, it is also very good. But they'll not ask salary, right? If they're asking salary, what you are going to say? 20,000 per month take home, you are telling, with 3 years of experience. And he is a working person, sorry, he is a family person. Uh, he is having 2 kids. How to manage? You tell me. Okay. So that guy now today he is into 7 lakhs in TCS. Okay. With matter of 4 months. Okay. So earlier night shifts, now day shifts. Earlier non-IT, lot of pressure. Now IT. IT means the pressure will be different. That's it. If you complete that work, it will be like see, the work will be like from morning to evening continuously. If I am working, they will pay some salary. If I am working for 1 hour with quality, they will pay more salary. That is SAP consultant job. End user job, he was working earlier. Morning to evening, at least 100 invoices. He has to open his system. He has to type. He has to type. He has to type. He has to save. End of the day, he need to give the report. For that, he is getting per month 20,000. Now he learned SAP. Entire 8 hours. Qualitily, he is working for 2 or 3 hours, either testing part or supporting to the end users something. He is getting more than double. So that life is with SAP. Keep that in your target. Then all these struggles will be very, very less for you. Otherwise, struggle will be high. Okay. And one more example, chartered accountant having 5 years of experience in chartered accountant in top company, she is getting only 13 lakhs package, which is not good, right? Whereas 5 years of SAP consultant, he is getting 20 lakhs package. Just degree, normal degree guy. Chartered accountant, how much hard she might have done her hard work. So she is with 13 lakhs. The normal degree person who has done SAP, that fellow is with 20 lakhs with 5 years of experience. So she came to us, she learned, she worked really hard. Every day she was learning. She was also having a kids in home. She is taking care of her family. She is going to office and she is learning SAP. Now today she got 3 offer letters with 20, highest is 21 lakh salary, 13 to 21. These are all the success stories I am seeing. I am getting encouraged to place you all. Okay. And why I'm saying this, you should get motivated and you should keep this as a goal. ఏజ్ రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ లేదు. ఓకే. ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తేనే పాస్ అయితేనే మీకు జాబ్ వస్తుందనే ఆ బాధ కూడా లేదు. కమ్యూనికేషన్ టాప్లో ఉండాలనే బాధ కూడా లేదు. ఓకే. బేసిక్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇస్ ఎనఫ్. సో వాట్ యు నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్, యూ నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్ యువర్ క్వాలిటీ టైం, అండర్స్టాండ్ అండ్ బీ కాన్ఫిడెంట్. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఏ గుడ్ డే. సో kindly complete all these things by Monday. Okay. And one more thing, what I'm saying, the level how you need to practice. Once again, I'm telling you, many people are failing how to practice. Take my Excel sheet in your drive. It's available. Download it. If not, let me know. If you are not getting download option, let me know. Or prepare your own sheet immediately. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have no need to type all these things. It is already typed in the Excel sheet. First, create company. Decide first, sit ideally, decide which company I have to take. Okay. Create a checklist, that is called KDS in our real-time project. So you decide, you know the structure, right? What code I have to create for company, you decide first. You fill here. Don't create in SAP, you fill it here. What code I need to create for company code? What should I use for credit control area? So you design your blueprint. We can say this as a blueprint. Okay. So in real time, the blueprint will be different format, but matter is same. The format will be different, but whatever I'm doing is same only. So design everything in the Excel. So design for one company code. Then you'll get confidence. Open SAP. You try to do step by step. You don't know how to do. Open my recording session. Listen and do it. So first company code is done. It may take 1 or 2 hours. Second company code, again you design. Array I have done for Britannia. Now I'll do it for Tata Motors. Design. Do it. How many steps? 19 steps. It won't take even 19-20 minutes. Trust me. After 5-6 company codes, 19-20 minutes time pattadu. When you are creating fifth or sixth company code. First company code, maybe 1 hour it will take, or 1 day it will take. Errors you'll get. You'll not understand system. System is new for you. You'll get all the challenges. Okay. So in that way, if you are learning this SAP is a golden path for your career. Okay. Till your retirement, we no need to think about any other career opportunities. Okay. We no need to get demotivated also. You have ample opportunities. If you want to go US, go. SAP will help you. Okay. Wherever country you wanted to go, you go with SAP skill set. It will help you. With that confidence, you can move anywhere. Okay. All the best, boss. That to FICO means it's a core. Even after 20 years also, there won't be any less demand for FICO. Before 20 years also, there was not less demand for FICO. In SAP, there are so many modules, which is coming, which is going. But FICO, SD, ABAP, standard modules. They are the business process. So that to FICO is the top. If you take any institution, FICO students will be very high when compared with other module students. That itself, the matrix for us, how demand we are getting for FICO. Okay, done. All the best. Thank you.